Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a campfire. So before we get started, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it super duper helps out the channel. Alright folks, so I'm going to start by sketching everything out with a pencil. I'm going to do some logs of wood here on the bottom, and then I'm going to do my flames up top, and we're going to have some little bits of fire kind of spurting out into the night. All right, so I'm going to start by doing a oval shape, kind of a squat oval, and then from there going out straight on the bottom, going out straight, and then curving for the bottom of that log of wood. Okay, so also I'm going to give it little squiggly lines like that, and we can kind of go follow that with another line, and we can follow that with another line, and go on the inside, and it helps give it a bit of a wood grain texture. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard to see where it's just in the pencil, but ooh, you see it? How we got kind of a squiggly wood grain texture. All right, so I'm going to do that with the other logs of wood that we draw as well. So right here, kind of in the middle of this log, I'm going to go up, straight line, curve, and then straight line. Okay, so and then give it its woody texture and do some squiggly texture lines. Okay, and let's see, I'm going to do another bit of wood here. So straight line, curve, straight line, and then some woody, liney texture. Okay, now I'm going to give it, I'd say that's it for our logs of wood right now, and I'm going to start with the fire. So I'm going to give it a curved, do a little bit of a curved line here, and start with our flame. Okay, so it's like we come to the top right here, we're going down, curve, okay, and now we're doing the same on this side, okay, but I'm going to give it some little points. So a little point like that, a little point like that, and same going this way. Okay. So when we erase this part, these sides, it gives us more of a flame shape. Okay, and then on the inside we can kind of follow that outline, and then I'm going to do another little follow of that outline. Okay, and now I'm going to do some little flickers of flames going out into the night sky, and do a little line here for the ground. Okay, and now I'm going to line everything with my marker. So this will only take a moment. And once I have everything lined, I'm going to go in with an eraser and get rid of all our pencil marks. And I mean, don't worry if you're not following your pencil marks exactly. You can see right now I'm not following them exactly. That's okay. And our flame. And our little flickers. Now, eraser time. Alright, so I'm going to color everything in. I'm going to use brown for the logs, and I'm going to use some red and some orange and some yellow for the flame. So let's see how it all looks when it's colored. Alright everyone, so we are done drawing our campfire. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's Daily Doodle, and also please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see for the next Daily Doodle. I love hearing your suggestions. So everyone, I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I will see you next time. Bye!